Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I wanna tell you about this configuration. Yeah, this is I have config until 99% because it's a long time, guys. If I config from first step until the finish, that is uh, uh, it's so a long time. It's very long time until 1 horse or until two horse. Okay, this is introduction for this super lab. Yeah, this is super lab 4 for this week. In this super lab, we will we will have many topic. We have many topic. Yeah, about VLAN routing. This is we have two area routing OSPF and AGRP. So we have 9 VLAN. Okay, okay, let's to make configuration. Yeah, this is the first configuration that is name. We must configuration name for the all network device, uh, switch and root. Yeah, switch and router. This is the first switch one. This is will have configuration suite host name. So after that we enter to ether channel. Yeah, we configuration ether channel. This is we show. I can show to you. I can show to you here. After we configuration name, I configuration enable secret. Yeah. This you can show. This is we must enter password because I have an configuration enable secret. Okay, this is I wanna show to you about my configuration. Show the channel. Some, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, this is I have configuration enter channel summary and switch one. This is I use protocol LLJP for this configure LLJP in switch one and switch two. This is configuration LJP and the port we use 7 and 8 7 and 8 in this okay 278 is okay. After this let's do configuration in party because this is configuration in continue. Yeah, this I can show it to you interface trunk because we must trunking in port fast ethernet uh, 1 and fast ethernet 789. Yeah, in VLAN. This is in VLAN. The configuration in fast ethernet 1 is two router. Okay, after that we configuration in VLAN. Yeah, we create VLAN. This is I can show to you VLAN. This is we use VLAN 7 8 9. Yeah, because VLAN 7 in done. Yeah, in this real configuration because we enter to switch one and to router one core router RTR4. After that we show in the switch two. This is we enter password. This is I have configuration enable secret and hostname. Yeah, so we can to uh, enter the continue part configuration. The continue is the same. We create a VLAN. So this is I can show to you VLAN. I have configuration VLAN. This is VLAN 7 and 8. After that, we show Ether channel summary. Yeah, Ether channel sum. This is you can show. This is have three port. Use three port to Ether channel summary. Yeah, and the protocol same. I use LRCP. And continue for configuration and core RTL4. This continue in this configuration, yeah, I config the first is interface VLAN, inter VLAN, yeah, for the uh, uh this is can show or no, yeah, maybe interface brief. Yeah, this is I create interface VLAN, so sub interface, yeah, sub interface in router. This I create sub-interface for VLAN 7, 8, and 10 for the IP. Yeah, in this IP, this is he it is has oh no no it is become a default router for the DHCP VLAN. What it is. I can show run for lookup the complete configuration. This is you can show for configuration number secret that I can config. So after that I can config IP has been excluded. This is I excluded for IP router. So this is you can see I config DHCP full VLAN, yeah, for the all VLAN in this connect to router 4. Yeah. After that is spanning 3 4 phase, yeah. You're spanning 3 4 phase. Port configuration port phase in all of interface sets configuration port phase. So I configuration again in fast fast ethernet 0 to this and this. We config IP address. Okay. And okay, that's it for configuration. Yeah, the continue configuration is router OSPF because in this router this is area OSPF. Yeah, configuration in for the IP host specifically that is 9.2 and no no 10.2 and 10.5. You can see and then what configuration again and NTP. This is the last configuration again in yeah, this is part 15. Okay, to continue in the VLAN 5 and 6. This is the same will configuration in VLAN. You can see in the channel. Yeah, this is in this tracking. Yeah, I use Ether channel protocol PIGP. Yeah, and this is I can show to you what protocol for Ether channel. This is I channel some. Ah, this is I can show to you, yeah. The protocol is PIGP. Ah, the protocol is PIGP and the port is 27 and 8. So this is the same in this again for the channel channel. I use the IGP and the port desk. And the same the configuration in core RTL5 to inter VLAN and the HCP. Okay, this is I can show to you for configuration. So IP run for the complete configuration. This is I can tell and describe for the first step to first step by step. Yeah. The first is configuration hostname. Yeah. I have configuration hostname. So enable secret. This is configuration enable secret. What is this is further and not varied because I use secret. Yeah, secret. This is the coder can do encryption. Yeah. So in the more secure, more secure security. And this is a configuration IP good. Yeah, you can show this. The excluded is IP in the sub interface. So the continue is I configuration the HTTP line 5 and 9. We can show this, and then as server I use uh, 1.3. This you can show for configuration then as server. The continue is spanning 2.5. We configure 2.5. Interface. So this is configuration sub interface. No. This is configuration in interface to router, antar router. This is in fast Ethernet 0 and fast Ethernet 0/1. Okay, this is configuration sub interface. So this is a configuration router SPF. Yeah, I use router SPF, routing SPF because this is in the area of SPF is configuration SPF. So and TP again configuration. Okay, the part continue part. The continue part is the configuration in Flex 5 and 6. Okay, configuration the first that is FTP. I will show to you about configuration FTP. Go save. Right. Okay, this is configuration in Switch 5. The configuration hostname. So the the continue configuration enable secret for password and enable this and continue the configuration and XTP, STP model rapid TV SD. This is configuration in part 7. Yeah, the continue for part 6, and then in configuration, yeah, for part 7 we configuration root bridge. Yeah, root bridge, and we config priority in root bridge VLAN 3. Yeah. This is so the continue is this is uh, keterangan for the port. Okay, this is N. Yeah, the N for configuration. Oh, cannot. Yeah, we show FTP. Okay, The continuous configuration in uh, this is the show run to show. I'm sorry. This is the first CSL and STP again. Configuration STP because this is we must configure RSTP on SVNOS stage 5 and 6. Okay, this is I can show to you about configuration in MLS. Okay, the same configuration. We excluded the DHCP for the DHCP address for the IP side interVLAN. IP interVLAN. This is the configuration IP DHCP full. This is configuration spanning 3 5 because this is spanning 5 and root bridge because of this on VLAN 2. Okay, this is configuration interVLAN ya. This is for VLAN this is configuration in the fast Ethernet 0. This is yeah. Okay, this is configuration interVLAN and because MLS this network device in the middle of two protocol network. There's reconfiguration OSPF in fast Ethernet 0/5 and RGP for Ethernet fast Ethernet 0/4 and this network VLAN 2, 3 and 4 they enter in the routing AGRP. Can show this here. Okay, the same again in the router disk, router RTM 1, the configuration, the same configuration. The same we config. Okay, this reconfiguration IP address. Yeah. This is a part this part part type. Okay, address. So configuration routing, AGRP and lifetime. Okay, and continue is configuration part 8 and 9. Configuration server area. This is I enter IP address. You can show this. We must make IP address 1.3. Yeah, and web server for web server. The IP address is 1.4 and the consumer server is 1.5 and configuration for security configuration for security okay, this is the configuration in enterprise 3, 4 and 5 that is for security mode sticky for backup disk and mode violation for the security port. Okay, that's configuration in server area. The continue configuration. This is SPF and AGP represent the configuration SPF in this area for this okay, and AGP for this for this. Continue is neutral decision. This is configuration in for FDR1 and SV1 MLS. The configuration and two router this because this router in middle of two protocol network. Configuration ya, redistribute for two for protocol network. So because we must connect protocol network. Okay, the continue is configuration ISRP. This is configuration in RTR2 and 3. This is configuration ISRP. We try to show run. Okay, this is I configuration ISRP in Sunday IP for this and purity and frame yeah. Virtual yeah. The configuration IP 1.254 and use ID 1. Use 1 in this IP, same, and 2 in the router MPL3 again. So, run. This is the same in the interface 1 slash 0 configuration HRP. So this is configuration NTP server. NTP server in this is DNS and NTP server the configuration in this NTP. This is enable. So we enter key and password. So configuration in the client again. We can show yeah, the one client. Ah, this is configuration in client. The client for this configuration in this for router, just router ya, for configuration NTP client. And continue configuration email server. This configuration email server in this server email server. The configuration is we must to enter to service and email. This is we make domain name, setting domain name and user setup. The name user is user one and user two. The password is 1 1 2 3. And again, configuration in PC 18 and 19. This is in email ya. The configuration, your name, this my name is user one and email address user Aguna course. So incoming and outgoing email is mail@agunacourse.com and username this is the enter for server ya. The same in PC 19. The configuration email the same. This is okay. The last is configuration access list. Configuration access list. This is in the router one and two. This is yeah. I can show to you configuration access list. This is we config for blocking uh, protocol ECMP from all VLAN to server ya. All VLAN to server. You can find to yeah, this is a fail because we must blocking protocol ECMP for all VLAN to the server and just VLAN just connect for web server and that's the server and that's this is the compression in 99 100 yeah the wrong is this is a port model I have config port model but it's not checklist yeah I don't know what the problem and the second is VLAN name this is a configuration VLAN name yeah it's in switch 4 I can show to you yeah in switch 4 yeah switch 4 1 2 3 4 yes I can show that I I can I have to create a field name but in this assessment item not to checklist guys I don't know that's a problem okay just two problem maybe I thanks you for your watching and this is my Superlab 4 configuration Superlab 4 uh, okay thanks for your for watching see you next video Superlab guys bye bye assalamualaikum